Welcome to the presentation of my game-ready low-poly Goblin Archer character. This versatile character is designed to enhance your game environments. Whether you need grinders, mobs, or additional enemies, let's dive into the technical details. Starting with the mesh specifications, we have 15,187 vertices and 25,380 triangles, featuring high-quality weight painting for smooth animations. Moving on to materials and textures, the character includes 5 optimized materials, 21 high-resolution textures at 4096 by 4096. For optimization purposes, you can reduce the texture resolution to 512px or create a texture atlas by combining all textures into one material without losing visual quality. Animation capabilities, fully compatible with Live Link. Integrated with 52 ARKit blend shapes. Compatibility is a key feature, works seamlessly with any humanoid animations. Compatible with blueprints available in the store. Important notice, this asset requires the following plugins to function correctly. Live Link, ARKit, ARKit face support. Please make sure to activate these plugins before using the Blueprint Live Link functionality. The developer cannot be held responsible for any issues arising from the Activir plugins. Thank you for checking out this character. I hope it will be a valuable addition to your game projects.